ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। ॐ अद्य वयं पश्यामः। टुडे वी विल सी अभ्यास त्रयोविंशति, right? 33. Yesterday we already saw quite a lot of translations and alternate shabdas, alternate vakyas with this table. We saw, of course, we saw this table, and we also saw this abhyasa. We did a little abhyasa to do the words. So today we can go a little quicker actually. Yes, so we can go a little quicker. राजा गृहं गतवान्, राजानौ गृहं गतवन्तौ, राजानः गृहं गतवन्तः. So this is ekavachana, dvivachana, bahuvachana. Translation, what would it be for prathamah?
राजा कर गया.
Bas, correct.
दोनों राजा कर गए, सब राजा कर.
That's all. So this whole thing, is going to follow the same format. There is no difference at all in any of the sentences, more or less. बालिका भोजनं भुक्तवती, बालिके भुक्तवत्यौ, बालिकाः भुक्तवत्यः. Same thing. Balika has had food, two balikas have had food, multiple balikas have had food. Sundarji, mute and unmute as relevant. Tritiya, patram prithivya. So there is a point here. So prithivya, you see, they have given half tha. They have not given prithivya. They have just given prithvya. That is also okay. Patram prithivya patitavat, patre patitavati, patrani patitavanti. So this is also quite clear. Shatra pratyanta rupa is everywhere. So patram prithivya patitavat, the one leaf has fallen, two leaves have fallen, multiple leaves have fallen. Patrani patitavat. It is all the same. There is no difference at all.
Prithivya is saptami.
हाँ, यहाँ पे actually Prithvyam it is. Prithvyam, on. So we can take like
Well, on the earth.
like that. Prithvyam. Prithvi will be like Nadi Shabda. So it will decline in the same way as Ikaranta Strilinga. So Prithvyam will be Saptami Ekavachana. Prithvyam. Same, Raja mantrayate, Usha poshayati, Putri tarkayati cha. Here, which pratyaya is used?
Here it is Atmani Pada, it is the pratyaya.
Mantrayate, poshayati, tarkayati.
So therefore Doshayati Tarkayati, Nich pratyaya.
Nich pratyaya. But there is actually no pratyaya because that is how this word itself will decline. Mantrayate, mantrana dhatu, mantrana karna, to discuss. Atmanepada, latlakara is mantrayate only. So there is no pratyaya, but it is like nijanta rupa only. Nij pratyanta rupa. Let's say pathayati, kridayati. Naryau mitaha mantrayate. Naryau mitaha mantrayate. The ladies are talking to each other. Mitaha, paraspara. Naryau. Dvitiya ekavachanam. Prathama dvivachanam. Naryau. So, two ladies talking to each other. Putri jananim gavesheti, daughter is searching for mother. This is all, there is no kind of great challenge in any of these sentences. Putri jananim gavesheti. Bhuktavantam tam pashya, see the people who are eating. Bhuktavantam tam pashya, that. Bhuktavantam tam, those who are all eating, see them. Which lakara will be pashya? Pashya, Lord. Like shrunu, today we had seen in Gita, shrunu, like that, pashya. Bhuktavata tena karyam kritam. Bhuktavata tena karyam kritam. Bhuktavata, right? Bhuktavata. So tritiya ekachanam. Bhuktavata and tena will be in the same vachanam. Bhuktavantam tam. In that way, tam, tena, etc. they will be in the same vibhakti. So both are tritiya vibhakti ekavachanam. Bhuktavata tena karyam kritam. Through them, karyam is done. Through the bhuktavata. Through the ones that are eating, enjoying, experiencing. Bhuktavati tasmai vastrandehi. Give vastra to all the people who are eating. So you see, there is no great challenge in any of this. The big challenge with Kshatrapatya will come in such sentences where you have to use tasmai etasmai, tasmat etasmat, tena etena. In those examples, you will have to use this kind of Kshatrapatya rupa. Bhuktavata tena, bhuktavate tasmai, bhuktavantam tam. In that way. You just have to match the vibhakti as the meaning necessitates, demands, as the context demands. Bhuktavati tasmai, tasmin sa agatavan, tasmin saptami ekavachanam. Bhuktavati tasmin, in the person who is eating, that is on the person. Sa agatavan, that is, he has come. In eating,
How will we read that?
it will be
In the person who is eating, he has come. Or while the person is eating, it should be something like that.
during that way also there will be saptami, but bhuktavati tasmin bhuktavati definitely is saptami ekachanam. Sa agatavan, or you can say having eaten, or in the eating, in that way we'll say, in the eating he has come. Sa agatavan, in the bhandara, in that way. For eating, you can say, but in the bhandara, bhuktavati tasmin sa agatavan. I think that will be it.
Bhuktavati will be Strilinga.
No, it is bhuktavati will be Strilinga.
Strilinga.
This is only saptami ekavachanam. Like bhagavat shabda, right? Bhagavati is saptami ekavachanam. So this is pullinga. Because if it was Strilinga, they would have said bhagavat, nadyam rupa will come, like prithvivyam. And napumsakalinga rupa will be like jagat. You can also say jagat, jagati. Jagati is also saptami ekavachanam actually. In fact, Bhagavan Shabda saptami ekavachanam, will it be Bhagavati? Yeah, that will also be Bhagavati, and Jagat will also be Jagati. So you can take either. But I think here we have to take that person, Sa Agatavan. So for him, Pullinga, in eating he has come. That is a logical way. Sa patati sma, likati sma, nivasati sma. There is no challenge at all here. He was pad raha tha, likh raha tha, vas raha tha. He was living, reading, writing, living. Sanskrit banavo tavatu pratyay. In fact, this is also very easy, but some parts are quite challenging. So this tavatu pratyay is such that there are easy ones and there are very difficult ones. Like very easy and very difficult. So we'll just see. Very difficult in the sense, the beginning. After 3 or 4 abhyasas, it is quite easy. Like this bhuktavantam tam and all, these things are not obvious. Like bhuktavata tena, bhuktavati tasmin. These are not obvious sentences, but they are very useful with kta and ktavatu. Shatra. Sorry, with nishtha pratyay. With all nishtha pratyay, not shatra pratyay, nishtha pratyay. Earlier also I think I said shatra pratyay somewhere, not shatra, nishtha pratyay. Kravatu pratyay. I got confused with our Brihadaranyaka classes. Nishtha pratyay. Ta and kravatu. वह घर गया, वे दोनों घर गए, वे सब घर गए. So वह घर गया, किम भवति? आगतवान्. Sorry, गतवान्. Correct. गतवान्. सगृहं गतवान्. सत्यं. सगृहं गतवान्. तौ गृहं गतवन्तौ. ते गृहं गतवन्तः. There is no challenge at all. You can say tau grihe if you want to take as dvivachana. If you want to consider that they went to different houses. But if they both went to their house, like 2 siblings, 3 siblings, they all went to their house. So you say griham or you say grihe. Tau grihe gatavantau or tau grihe tau griham gatavantau or te grihe gatavantaha te grihani gatavantah. Te griham gatavantah. Both are. अस्तु. वह लड़की यहाँ आई. सो हाँ आभाजी, व्हाट विल दिस बी? वह लड़की यहाँ आई. किम भवति?
सा बालिका इत्र आगच्छतवान्.
गुड. इत्र नास्ति, अत्र. इह और अत्र. You can say इह. इह is also यहाँ. अत्र is also यहाँ. आगतवान्. Yes. आगतवान्. हाँ. And if I want to say वे सब आई. हाँ. अस्तु. हाँ. करेक्ट. सात ते. हाँ.
प्लूरल के लिए
आगतवन्तः. But it will be agatavantah, but or agatavanti actually, because we will have to follow nadi shabda, right? Oh, sorry, nadi nadyo nadyaha. Agatavantah, sorry, agatavantah is correct, but not te. It will be taha, because for pullinga it is te, saha tau te. For strilinga it is sa te taha. We have not seen that, I think, so it is okay. But you can just say सत्यम. बहु सम्यक. ताः बालिकाः आगतवन्तः और बालिकाः आगतवन्तः. That is also correct.
Ta is not required.
Yeah, not necessary, because balikaha already means bahuvachanam. So taha is not necessary, but ve sab, kyunki they have given ve sab, you can say taha, but not necessary. Balikaha agatavantah. Astu. So all of this, till this 9th or 10th one, they are all the same. So I will just go quickly through them. Ek patta prithvi par gira. So this is the same as what is given here. Patram. This third one is the same as the third one here also. Ek patta prithvi par gira. Do phool gire or teen phal gire. So different they have given. There is no challenge. Patram prithvyam patitavat. Do phool. हाँ, what will be दो फूल? हाँ, द्वे. पुष्पे. पुष्पम पुष्पे पुष्पाणि. So pushpa is napumsakalinga. So dve is correct. Dve pushpe. And this one phala. हाँ, त्रीणि फलानि और फलानि. This फलानि. फलानि पतन्ति, पतितवन्ति. गिरे पतितवन्ति. Or you say apatan, or you can say patitavataha, or sorry, not patitavataha, patitaha. If you want to say kta pratyaya, you can use kta pratyaya also. Just say patanti, I guess. Or patanti sma, that is also okay. There's lat plus sma. Astu, va aya, there is no challenge here. Sa agatavan, we have already seen ai, so the same way. स आगतवान्, स आगच्छत्, स आगतः, स आगच्छति स्म. All are correct. स आगतवान्, स हसितवान्, स पठितवान्. What will this be? उसने लिखा, सोया. In that way, if you want to say. स आगतवान्, स हसितवान्, स पठितवान्. This is over. But this line.
स लिखितवान्, स श्रुतितवान्,
सत्यं.
स दृष्टवान्,
करेक्ट.
कार्यं कुर्यवान्,
कृतवान्,
कृतवान्.
स कृतवान्. I can also say सम्यक्, बहु सम्यक्. So you see, there is no big challenge so far. The challenge is slightly late. This 7, 8, etc. Little bit challenging, but it will follow this rupa. Bhukta vatatena, etc. Anyway, fifth one, tu utha. Tvam
उत्तिष्ठति.
उत्तिष्ठति स्लट् लकार. उठा.
उत्तिष्ठतः.
उत्था. उत्था will come. Udaha sthastambho purvasya sutra will come. So udaha sthastambho purvasya says udaha sthastambho purvasya says ut plus sthanam will be utthanam. So this will be utthitavan. Sa utthitavan. In that way. स उत्थितः. स
त्वं नहीं होगा.
त्वं उत्थितवान्, उत्थितवन्तौ, उत्थितवन्तः, उत्थितवन्तं.
No, but when you go to Uttitavan, there is no change. Like we saw.
Correct. Aham, tvam, saha, everything is same. So it is tvam uttitavan.
Yeah, Uttitavan, so there is no change.
Correct. So tvam uttitavan. Correct. And tu ठीक दौड़ा. धाव धातु.
सम्यक्.
सम्यक. सम्यक.
त्वं सम्यक् दौड़ना is
अनेजदेकं नहीं. असूयानामते लोका अन्धेन तमसावृता तांस्ते प्रेत्याभिगच्छन्ति एके चात्मनो जनाः. Sorry, not that. अद्धावतो नान्यदत्ते तिष्ठत् तस्मिन्. धावितवान्. Today it had come, right? Anejadekam manaso javiyo. That much only had come in Brihadaranyaka. Anejadekam manaso javiyo naina deva purvavat apnumarshan. Purvavan apnumarshat. Tad dhavato. Second line. Tad dhavato nanyadatte titishthat tasminappo matarishva dadati. Tad dhavato. So dhavitavan. It will be. I think it will be dhavitavan. Satyam. Correct. You can check this. Dhav dhatu. To run. And then you just go here. Kridante. And then we can check. Kta. Dhautavat. Sorry. Dhautavan it will be. So satu samyak dhautavan. Not dhavitavan, dhautavan. These sometimes this different rupas they can give a little confusion. Dhautavan, kravatu. Astu. Samyak dhautavan. तूने स्वयं सेवा की. किं भवति? त्वं स्वयं सेवितवान्. तूने खाना खाया. त्वं भोजनं भुक्तवान्. There is nothing here. So here when we talk about kravatu pratyaya, that tvam aham saha, that will become important because there is no other differentiator than saha tvam aham. So either we look at context, which is what happens many times in Shatrishana, Kravatu. Context will matter. So I don't know if I said Shatri Pratyaya again, it's not Shatri, Nishtha Pratyaya. In Nishtha Pratyaya, context will matter and these small words will matter. So if the words are not there, you have to see context. Okay, then now we come to little more challenging. सोए हुए बालक को देखो. हाँ, what will this be? सोए हुए बालक को देखो.
स्वपितवान बालक बालक को बालक में क्रिया है बालक
Ashya. Ashya is correct. Shaitavan. Shaitavan it will be. Swapitavan. Shaitavan you can say. Nidra will not come because Nidra is not dhatu. You have to use a dhatu here, right? Like swap dhatu, you can say swap dhatu kridante. Here they are given suptavan. Suptavan you can say. Suptavan balakam pashya. That will be correct. Or Shaitavan, I think will also be correct. That if I type like this, it won't come. But we can try. Shayan Karna. That is better than Nidra because Nidra is not a dhatu, I think. Nidra is not a dhatu. They have given. See, actually, this is the nice thing about this website. Even if you type Shaitavan in English, she Tavatu Shaitavan, immediately it comes. You don't have to go and search inside Shi Dhatu, etc. You can just type this word and it comes up. She, Shing Swapne, Tavatu Prate, Shaitavan. So Shaitavan Balakam Pashya, that will be correct. In the same way, पढ़े हुए पाठ को फिर स्वयं पढ़ो. किम भवति? Sorry, there is one, there is a mistake that I have made. This सोए हुए बालक को देखो. Since we said balakam, dvitiya ekavachanam, soye huve should also be dvitiya ekavachanam. So this will be suptavantam or shaitavantam. Shaitavantam balakam pashya. Because shaitavan is prathama ekavachanam. Shaitavantam. Shaitavan, shaitavanto, shaitavantaha. Shaitavantam. So shaitavantam balakam pashya or suptavantam balakam pashya. That way we can say.
And if we had to say suptavan, then?
Suptavan balakaha kridati. Suptavan balakaha swapiti. The sleeping boy is dreaming. Shaitavan balakaha.
Suptavan balakaha pashya.
Nahi. Pashya nahi hoga because if you want to say look at the balak, that balak has to be in dvitiya. So then if you want to say, if we say Shaitavan, then that should be Prathama, which means he is the Karta. So he will say, oh, he is dreaming. Shaitavan balakaha swapiti. That way. Or Shaitavan balakaha samyag swapiti.
So we need some other Karta to be introduced to make it Pashya.
Correct.
To make the Pashya work.
Correct. You need karma.
Balaka would be sleeping and also Pashya.
Correct. Exactly. So if you want to say Pashya, some other person is looking at that. Like now there are three people. Shaitavantam balakam Pashya, I am saying, I am telling somebody to look at that balaka. There are three people are here. Three vyaktis. पढ़े हुए पाठ को फिर स्वयं पढ़ो. किम भवति? Idea is correct, but grammar is all over the place. But idea is correct. पढ़े हुए पाठ को. So you can say patitavantam or patitam also. Patitam if you want to. But patitavan will be again prathama, right? यहाँ पे they have given पढ़े हुए पाठ को. So because they have given पाठ को, you have to use dvitiya. Patitavan patham saralam asti. That you can say. Patitavan patham or patitam patham. Then you say the patha that we have studied, that is easy.
So you can say Patitavan Patham Swayam Pataswa.
Swayam pataswa.
You read.
No, then also it be dvitiya, right? What are you reading? You are reading what is already done.
Yeah.
So you are the karta. Like pashya, like tvam pashya in that way. Or bhavan pashyatu in that way. So then,
पुनः त्वं पश्य पठत्
patat.
पुनः त्वं
Patat. Again, idea is correct, but grammar is little here and there. Patat. Punaha is correct. So what we say is Patitavantam Patham. So that will be Dvitiya. Both are Dvitiya Ekvachanam. If you want to say Patitavan Patham, then that has to be in Prathama. So you have to say something about the Patitavan Patham. Like Patitavan Patham or Patitam Patham, Patitaha Patham or Patitam Patham. Sorry, Patitam Patham Saralam Asti. You can say the Patha that we had read was very easy. There it is karta. But patitavantam ye path ko fir swayam pado. Then this part will be dvitiya, karma. So patitavantam
त्वं पठ
tvam patha is correct. Patitavantam patham swayam punaha patha.
पुनः त्वं
Patha. Tvam patha you can say or without tvam also, because patha obviously means only tvam. Patitavantam. Patitavantam patham punaha swayam patha. That way we can say. So some places this will become challenging, but this is the real value of kta and ktavatu pratyaya. You save a lot of words. If I were to say this in Gana Rupa, we will say a lot. Like we will say tvam patham apatan, tat patham. This is so complicated. Tat patham swayam punaha patha. This is a bit all over the place. But this is the value of such nishtha pratyas, where you want to add 2-3 phrases and you just make it into one. It is very beautiful after it's made into one. Patitavantam patham swayam patha. अस्तु सप्तम भोजन किए हुए उस ब्राह्मण को एक फल और दो. What will this be?
उत्तमान् तस्मै ब्राह्मणाय एकः फलः अन्यत् देहि.
हाँ, but you are giving. हाँ, Brahmanam. Sorry, I couldn't hear. But Brahmanaya is correct because you are giving to that Brahmana. Or Brahmanam, if you want to say Dvitiya Ekvachanam, that may be correct. But Brahmanaya is better in this context. But you can also say Bhuktavantam, because again, this is Dvitiya. You are giving to that Brahmana. So the Brahmana is not Karta. The person who is giving is the Karta. And he is giving to that Brahmana. So you say Bhuktavantam or even Bhuktavate, like how they had given here, Bhuktavati. But Bhuktavantam is better, I guess. Bhuktavate here. They had given here Bhuktavate tasmai vastram dehi. So again, Bhuktavate tasmai brahmanaya phalam yacha, but ek phala or. So for this ek phala or, there is a shabda, ek or. Any ideas what this could be? Ek or. Anya means another, right?
Another.
Ek or, you can say bhuyaha, again. You give again, bhuyaha. Bhuyaha, like in Ishavasya also that comes, right? Bhuyasyante nama uktim vidhema. Right at the end it will come. Bhuyaha, there is a sutra for bhuyaha. Interesting sutra is there for bhuyaha. We will see that. Bahor lopo. This one. Bahor lopo bhucha bahoho. Basically it says bhuya shabda can be used when more than one, again, etc. You have to use bahoho parayor ime इमे यसोर लोपः स्याद् ब्रूहोश्ची भूरादेशः. Okay, anyway. So what basically is saying bahor lopo bhucha bahoho. So this bhu dhatu again multiple or great or again this kind of arthas. Not bhu dhatu, bhu shabda, bhuyaha you can say. So bhu plus there is a pratyaya called yasun pratyaya. Today also it had come in Brihadaranyaka. And also in Ishavasya that comes. Manaso javiyo. Anejadekam manaso javiyo. Javiyaha. So this javiyaha, whenever there is a comparison, comparative ideas are given by yasun pratyaya. Like how this nishta pratyaya is giving for bhutakal, what is already done. Nich pratyaya gave for prernarthak, when you have to do for somebody else. Like that, yasun pratyaya gives when there is some kind of comparison and one is higher. So again when you say bhuyaha, there is a yasun pratyaya, and higher in the sense again you do it again. Compared to the first time, do it again. So we can say bhuyaha phalam yacha, give again. Is this okay? I think this is the hardest sentence of this abhyasa, I think. Bhuktavate tasmai brahmanaya bhuyaha phalam yacha. अष्टम, जब वह खाना खा चुका तब मैं उसको पास गया. किम भवति? हाँ.
So, these words not jump area, क्या कहते हैं?
I think here we can use this Bhuktavati Tasmin. This is the meaning, right? Having eaten, he came. Bhuktavati Tasmin sa agatavan. Kha chuka, kha ke aya. ऐसे. Having eaten. So that is Saptami. Same Saptami we can use here. जब वह खाना खा चुका. यदि और यदा. Either you can say Bhuktavati Tasmin. Bhuktavati Tasmin. That they have given here. Sorry, they have given that here. Bhuktavati Tasmin. So Bhuktavantam. What would it be?
So kada. Staha. Because this is, the gender is different here. Yeah? Bhuktavata yada tasmin aham paas gaya. So agata. So I don't know.
It's close. I think there are only one or two small errors. Yada kada, yada tada, not kada yada. So yada means when and tada then. So jab yada, kab will be kada, when kada. Jab yada, tab tada. So yada.
Yada bhuktavati.
Ha.
And tasmin is then it will be tada. Then
यदा यदा सः भुक्तवान और यदा सः
भुक्तवती का फॉर्म यूज करना है तो
हाँ भुक्तवती करेक्ट सो दैट विल बी सप्तमी एक क्वेश्चन सो यदा भुक्तवती और द थिंग इज भुक्तवती तम you can just say bhuktavati tasmin means that person who has eaten bhuktavati in eating tasmin tasmin correct bhuktavati tasmin aham samipam agatah that way you can say agatah sorry gatah I went close samipam gatah or gatavantah gatavan हाँ
समीपम
गतवान अहम गतवान or aham gati. This is a little confusing. There are two ways. So either we can say with yada tada or get rid of yada tada and use bhuktavati. So bhuktavati tasmin samipe aham gatavan. I went close to the person who has eaten. This is one way of saying. Second way will be yada saha bhuktavan. Yada sa bhuktavan tada aham gatavan. Sami.
So, Bhuktavati tasmin aham samipam gatva. That was
Gatavan.
variation.
Yeah, that is correct, I think. Bhuktavati tasmin aham samipam gatavan. That should be correct. Bhuktavati tasmin. Because here they have not given who has done it. Here they have not given Brahmana or whatever, Purusha or anything. They have just given Saha, Vaha. So Saha only we have to take. Bhuktavati tasmin. That much itself, this jab Vaha kana ka chuka tab, that whole sentence will be done in Bhuktavati tasmin. Bhuktavati tasmin aham samipam gatavan. That much is correct. Here. Is there any error here? Bhuktavati tasmin aham samipam मैं गया समीपम गतवान. करेक्ट है. अस्तु. उसके चल जाने पर, हाँ, यू सी दे हैव गिवन द सेम अगेन. गतवती तस्मिन. उसके चल जाने पर मैं यहाँ आया. किम भवति?
गतवती तस्मिन् अहम् अत्र आगच्छतः.
हाँ, और आगतवान.
आगतवान्.
I came. आगतवान. और आगतः, you can say, if you want to use kta pratyay. Surya chamka. Now we have come to the spoon feeding kind of sentences. Surya chamka. Surya bhastavan. Bhas dhatu we can check.
They want to use it poshayati, right?
Acha. Yes, okay. So poshi they are given. Poshayati they are given. The poshayati is which lakara?
Poshayati would be
Lat lakara.
lat.
And chamka will be
Chamka. Chamka will be lam lakara. Right? Yeah, chamka will be
lang lakara. So that will not be poshayati. It will be
poshayat, or we have to use poshayat.
poshitavan.
Poshayatavan.
Poshitavan.
Poshitavan.
Poshitavan. Like how? They have given there. All this push dhatu, push prishtau, dvadigana, divadigana, everything is poshitavan. Poshitavan, tavatu pratyay. Poshitavan. Pushan poshitavan, basically. Instead of saying, you can either say Surya bhasitavan or you can just say Pushan poshitavan. Sir jhuka. Okay. Sir jhuka. Kim asti? Kim bhavati?
Shishya. Shish.
This will be Sir jhuka will be head, na? Head. In the sense, have they given this dhatu? Is bowing is head in that way. But have they given the dhatu earlier? We have to check. Bowing.
But they're not given the
Nam you can say, but there must.
namaskar type.
Nam you can say. Natavan you can say. Natavan. This much itself is correct. Sir jhuka, natavan. That is all. Sir jhuka, meaning what? He did namaskara, natavan. but or even nataha, you can just say to make it even simpler, sir jhukaha nataha. But there must be some dhatu specifically for झुकने का अर्थ में. Bowing, you know. Vand they have given. Okay, you can just say vanditavan. They would have given here. Vanditavan or vanditavati also, because they have not given this linga. Pullinga, strilinga, both will be correct here. Either you say nataha or you just say nata with kta pratyaya, or if tavatu pratyaya should be used, then natavan or natavati, or even ganarupa you can use, sma you can use, anything is correct. Sir jhuka, that much is correct. Or you can just say sir jhuka, very if I have to use like a very literal translation, I would probably say Shiraha. Sandhya ji said Shiraha, right? I think you said Shisha. Shiraha, it will be correct for Sir, head. Shiraha Vanditavan. If I have to be very literal. Astu. Patthar gira. Kim bhavati? Patthar gira.
Ashma.
Sorry, what?
Ashma, right? Patthar.
Ashma, correct. Ashman ka shabd is patthar, correct. So it will be, because Ashman Prathama Ekvachanam will be like Atman. Atman Prathama Ekvachanam is
Atma.
So Ashman will be
Ashma.
Ashma.
Okay. Patit gira, na? So patitavat.
Jagat, like Jagat you are saying, right? Patitavat, correct. Ashma Patitavat, Bahu Samyak, very nice. It's a tricky one, very good. Ashma Patitavat, that will be correct. Because like Jagat Prathama Ekvachanam is Jagat only. Jagat, Jagati, Jaganti. So Ashma will also be Napumsakalinga, Ashma Patitavat, Satyam. Bhadai Aya, Bhadai is come. Carpenter. Twashtr, Twashtr, na? But here they are given some other word. The दूसरा शब्द दिया है takshan. So takshan will be gravan also they have given for patthar. You see, this also you can use. So grava, takshan, taksha. It'll just be like raja. Taksha agataha, agatavan. Bel utha.
So gatavan, aya, agatavan.
Agatavan, correct. Agatavan.
And whatever right word was, not again.
Taksha.
Huh?
Taksha.
Taksha. Taksha agatavan.
Satyam. Bel utha.
Vrishabha. We did this now.
They gave ukshan. In Abhyasa they gave ukshan. You see? Ukshan.
Ukshan, okay. Ukshan, uttishtavan.
Uthitavan.
Uttitavan, we just did it, yeah.
Uksha uthitavan or Vrishabha uthitavan. That is nice word. Nari ne nadi dekhi.
Nari ne nadi dekhi. Nari ne.
Prathama ekvachanam. Nari.
Nari. Nadi is nadi. Dekhi. Drishatavan.
Drishtavan. But Drishtavan is for Pullinga.
Okay.
Nari is Strilinga. Nari Nadim Drishtavati. Nari Nadim. Nadim. Makara is there. Nadim.
Nari Nadim
Yes. Can you hear me well? Or my voice is a little off? Low. Okay. But because today I've tuned in from my phone, so maybe the voice is a little low. Because laptop there is some issue. Nari Nadim Drishtavati is correct. 16. Shodasha. Putri Janani se boli. Kim bhavati?
Ashikavati.
हाँ, correct. बोली और वद also you can use वद धातु because बुलाया नहीं ना यहाँ पे बोली. So you just said any of those dhatus like kat, vad.
Vadvati, is it?
No, not vadvati.
The dhatu kosha
हाँ,
is uditavati.
udita. Because what karya happens?
What?
Vad has become ud. Why?
Samprasarana.
Correct. Samprasaranam. Which sutra? Sutra. This will just be like Bhagavan Uvacha. So Ukta it will become. Uktavati. Sutra is Vachi Swapi Ajadinam Kiti. This is the sutra.
Sutra is
It's okay. But this is the sutra. Vachi Swapi Ajadinam Kiti. So you see here, Vad Dhatu will be somewhere here. Vad you see right at the end. Vad Uditavan. This you can use. So Sundarji, what you said would be correct. Uditavan they have given. Uditavan. Uktavan also is correct. Why Uktavan they have not given? I don't know. Is there any reason? Vach will be Uktavan, I guess, right? Vach Dhatu will be Uktavan. So that is also correct. Vach Dhatu Uktavan. Vad Dhatu Uditavan. Both are okay. Putri Jananim Uditavati. कवि राजा के गुणों का वर्णन करता है. किम भवति?
Janani se will be Janinya. Would it be like that?
Jananim. Dvitiya. She says spoke with. Or with if with you want to say like Jananim is enough.
She
Jananim.
spoke to her mother.
Yes, she spoke to her mother. Jananim. You can also say, if I want to say with, but in Sanskrit that doesn't make any sense. If I want to say like Jananya Saha or something with Chaturthi, Tritiya, etc., that won't make sense. So Jananim is correct. Jananim Uditavan or Uktavati, Uditavati. कवि राजा के गुणों का वर्णन करता है. किम भवति? Kirtitavan, will it be? Kru dhatu is correct.
because it is
Kru is correct. That is correct. But will it be Kirtitavan or Kirtavan? You have to see.
Kirtavan sounds like an adjective. You go person Kirtavan.
No, but you are correct, Sundarji. You are definitely correct. Kirtitavan. You see? Tavatu Kirtitavan. They have given. Kirtitavan. Kavihi Raja ke guno. Raja. Raja ke gun ko.
Gunanam.
And Gunanam okay, but Nripa will be? Nripasya. Nripasya Gunanam or Nripasya Guna you can say as Gunan you can say. Nripasya Gunan var Kirtitavan. Or you can say with Raja Shabda they had given Ragnyaha Gunan Kirtitavan. राजा मंत्रियों से मंत्रणा करता है. किम भवति?
Mantriyon se will
Mantri.
That is the Amasya, like that, right?
Correct. Amatyam. Then, but you have to say in Bahuvachana.
Amatya. Amatya.
Amatyam. Amatyan.
Amatyam. Mantrana. Okay, discussion.
Mantrayati. Mantrayati bas. Mantrayati.
Mantrana is also Mantrayati.
Mantrayati. Raja Shatru ko
They also.
Mantrayate. Because mantra dhatu is only in Atmanepada, right? Something like that. I think mantra dhatu
Yeah, only in Atmane.
kevala Atmane. Correct. Absolutely. So it will be Mantrayate. Kartari, if I want to say. Mantrayate. Oh, they have given Mantrati. Mantrati or Mantrayate? Mantrayate is better version of this. Mantrayate. Satyam. Astu. Raja Shatru ko डराता है.
Nrupah, Shatruram or Vairinam.
Shatru ko will just have to be Dvitiya. Dvitiya Bahuvachanam. Dvitiya Ekavachanam. Shatru ko. शत्रु एक ही शत्रु है ना. गुरु गुरावह गुरुम गुरु गुरून् शत्रुम. गुरु शब्द was there, right? उकारांत पुल्लिंग. भय. भय they had given. They had given something, right? They had given tarj dhatu. Here you see, right at the top, tarj dhatu. Tarjitavan. Tarjayati. Satyam. Tarjayati. Nripaha shatrum tarjayati. Raja shatrum tarjayati. Both are correct. वह लड़की तर्क करती है. We have some तार्किकस. वह लड़की तर्क करती है. किम भवति? सा बालिका. सत्यम. वह भोजन का स्वाद लेती. तर्कितवती. सॉरी. करती है ना. करती है सो नहीं लट लकार है. तर्कयति. तर्कयति. चुरादिगण. तर्कयति. वह भोजन का स्वाद लेता है. सॉरी एनी somebody.
तर्क means चुराना.
चुराना नहीं. चुराना जैसे चुरादिगण. In like how chur dhatu will become chorayati, tarka will become tarkayati. Tark will be speaking logic or discussing, will also be tarkayati. वह भोजन का स्वाद लेता है. किम भवति?
सह भोजनम स्वाद ले रुचि. पर यहाँ क्या शब्द दिया है?
दिया ना ऊपर धातु आस्वाद.
आस्वादति.
This is also चुरादिगण. आस्वादयति. स भोजनम आस्वादयति. दुर्जन सज्जन की निंदा करता है.
दुर्जनः सज्जना सज्जना सज्जना.
सज्जनम.
सज्जनः.
गर्हितवान और विल बी गृहीत इज ओनली लट लकार, राइट? करता है. गृह्यति आई थिंक. गर्ह टू ब्लेम. दिस वन गर्हते. आत्मनेपदम. गर्हते. गिवन टू थिंग्स. टू धातुस आर देयर. गर्हयते. This has to be garhayate because they have given with other churadigana dhatus. This whole patha is all churadigana. All these dhatus. So garha dhatu also to be taken as churadigana dhatu. So this will be garhayati. और गर्हति, गर्हति और गर्हयति, गर्हयति will be correct. दुर्जनः सज्जनम गर्हयति और गर्हति. सज्जन सत्य को ढूंढता है, किम भविष्यति.
But this whole section, they said Sanskrit बनाओ तवतु प्रत्यय.
हाँ,
So
But-
given the instruction that everything has to be done in tavatu.
but tavatu pratyaya will not come in present tense.
Yeah, but then they should not have given it in the exercise.
True. True. Tavatu will only be in Bhutkal, but they have given lat lakar also, because they have to do the dhatus that they have given, that also has to be covered. They could have done Sajjan Satya ko dhoond raha tha. They could have said, they didn't say. So Sajjan Satya ko dhoondta hai, kim bhavati? Bhavishyati. Sajjanaha Satyam Gaveshayati. Gaveshayati. Churadigan.
Gaveshayati.
Bhojanam Kadan Brahmanam Palandehi Nasti. This is what they are given. Bhuktavate Brahmanaya Palam Dehi. 2. Chaturthi Vibhakti should be used. Bhojanam Kadan. Bhojanam Kadan. Actually, having eaten, that artha is there for Bhojanam Kadan. But when past tense is there, Tavatu Pratyaya is better to use. So, Bhuktavate Brahmanaya Palandehi. Sa bhojanasya aswadayati. Sa bhojanam aswadayati. That is what we had seen here also. वह भोजन को स्वाद लेता है, सेम थिंग. सब भोजनम आस्वादयति. क को त प्रत्यय लगाकर वाक्य बनाओ. Yesterday we did this, right? हाँ, we had finished this. हाँ, गृहम गतः basically. क्त प्रत्यय. If ktavatu pratyay, this will be griham gatavan. स गृहम गतः. एक पत्रम पतितः पृथिव्याम. So it's all very simple. Anywhere you see the vat, just remove vat and put visarga or a or depending on linga. That is all. If vat is there, then If van is there, visarga. If vati is there, akara. You just have to match the linga and change. Kta and ktavatu are very close to each other. Kha ko lot lang or vidling rit mein badalo. We can just do one. Kha ko. तर्क करती है, मे बी इट्स इजी टू डू. विल डू द अदर वंस आल्सो. तर्क करती है, तर्कयति, तर्कयतु, अतर्कत, अतर्कयत, तर्कयिष्यति and tarket. 5 lakaras are all there. Vidhiling they have not, they are asked for. So easy way to understand these things is go to Dhatu Pata, just type in whichever Dhatu you want to see, and then all of them are here. Lat lakara tarkayati, lit lakara tarkayan chakara. These kinds of things, you know, we get in Upanishad, right? Tarkayan chakara, tarkayam babhuva, tarkayam masa. These are all mantra. Lit lakara, bhutkal, but we don't know when that way. Tarkita, tarkishyati, tarkayishyati, tarkata, lot, tarkatu, tarkayatu. You see, in lot lakara alone there are 6 versions. Tarkatat, tarkatad, tarkatu, tarkayatat, tarkayadat, tarkayatu. Everything is correct for Prathama Purusha Ekavachana lot lakara. So we can just go there and check whatever is necessary. इन शब्दों के रूप लिखो. राजन, पूषण, मूर्धन. You have to see later. Nadi, Nari, Patni. These are all like Nadi. All of these are like Rajan. They have given both at the end of the book. इन धातुओं के 10 लकार के रूप लिखो. कृत, मंत्र, तर्ज, आस्वद, गर्ह. So we have seen all 5 lakaras in lat or lung. In other lakaras it will be different. ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांतिः शांतिः शांतिः. शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतो वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ओम शांतिः शांतिः शांतिः. ओम